My name is Dr. Catherine Davey. You can call me Katie. I am the lecturer of Circuits and Systems, which is in the Biomedical Systems Engineering major, which is part of the Bachelor of Science and the Bachelor of Biomedicine. Biological systems are driven by electrical impulses. Every time you want to sit or run or walk, your muscles are driven first by nerves, which are driven by electrical pulses. So the first half of this subject goes through the fundamental principles of electronic circuits. It will teach you about the primary elements in a circuit, such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors. It will teach you how to analyze a circuit so you know what you expect to see, and more than that, you will actually try out circuits in the workshops and you will build yourself a circuit and control a bionic limb. So being able to analyze and interpret a signal requires the systems engineering approach, which we will cover in the second half of the course. So our bionic limbs were custom built in the university, and they allow students to control the robot so it passes over a cup of tea without spilling it.
I chose this subject because it's a compulsory part of the biomedical engineering major, and that it provides an entry point into the electronics required to do biomedical engineering. And I think the most exciting thing about this subject is that we finally get to delve into what engineering is, whereas a lot of our previous subjects are just building up the fundamentals, so we can finally use the fundamentals.
What really struck me about these subjects was the seamless integration between the lecture content and the workshops. I could feel the considerable time and effort the teaching team put into this aspect. Conversely, seeing these applications and their limitations in practice also enhanced my comprehension on underlying theories.
I think the most memorable thing about this subject was how it integrated into the biomedical engineering major. It used a bionic arm, and we were able to apply our learnings to the bionic arm, and that integrated well with our other subjects which also used that arm. So I think the systems approach to the subject was memorable.
This course is very content rich. Students will walk away with a whole new understanding of how biological systems are driven by electrical activity and how to interpret and understand that activity. The students who will really enjoy this subject are all of you, because it's a really great subject, and those with an interest in maths and a passion for circuits and systems.